Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove ads on MX Player using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the MX Player app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on Pro or Upgrade to Premium. The name may be slightly different, but it will clearly mention ad-free viewing. Now you will see the subscription plans available. MX Player usually offers a monthly, yearly, or lifetime plan. Choose the plan that works best for you and subscribe. Your iPhone will ask to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the payment is successful, ads will be automatically removed from the app. You can enjoy videos without interruptions. If you already subscribed before and ads are still showing, tap the restore purchase. This will activate your ad-free plan again. And that's it. You have successfully removed ads on MX Player using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.